In this video, you will see how to remove header and footer from first page only. It's very easy. First, you need to click here on the View tab, then click on Multiple Pages. So you will be able to see multiple pages side by side. Now to remove the header from the first page, double click inside the header area. And here you will see the option of Different First Page. Just select this option and the header and the footer from the first page will be removed. As you can see, the second page has footer and header, but not the first page. Once done, double click inside the Word document, then go to the View tab and then click on one page. You can adjust the zoom according to your need, and as you can see, no header, no footer on the first page, but the header and the footer appears on the second page and other pages as well. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn header and footer in Word quickly.